Hello everyone. Welcome to another learning session of Foundation of Programming at CodeMode, where you learn by practice. Currently you are learning about software development lifecycle, and in today's class we will learn about analysis phase of software development. Now before I start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel, especially if you are watching on YouTube. For complete course and related coding practice, go to our platform my.codemode.us. Let's begin. Based on the project plan and the vision, we start our analysis. The input to analysis phase, which is the second phase, is the output from phase 1, which is planning phase. In the planning phase, we created a project plan, we documented high-level project requirements. In the analysis phase, this becomes an input. In the analysis phase, we are going to write detailed requirement. The detailed requirement has to be in line with detailed requirement. It has to be in line with the high-level requirement we wrote in the planning phase. Typically, a business analyst is a role whose job is to document the detailed requirement and work with other team members. You identify different users of the software in this phase. You understand that there will be a teacher who will be the user of the code mode because there are many teachers on the code mode. Another role is what we call it administrator, who manages all the teachers and students. There will be student. There are some institutes who are using CodeMode as a software. These are the roles: institute administrators, and that CodeMode administrator, the student, all these. There are support folks, some data entry folks. All are different type of roles on this platform of this software. You are one of them as a student, which is the major user. But then when you look at the software from as a teacher, then teacher's job is to create questions. Your job is to solve the questions. So teacher's screens look a little different because he needs to capture the data in terms of adding the question, creating a new test, creating a new course, compared to students whose job is to take the test, look at the score, and look at or review the performance in each test or in each course, etc. So in this phase, you look at different roles. You see how the role will use the software and what are the features or scenarios user will be using it, and accordingly document it at a high level, at a detailed level. That is what we do it. So a detailed requirement document is created. As I said, typically a business analyst is a role which writes this type of document. In the next class, we'll look at the design phase. Now that's all in today's class. If you have any question, feel free to post or ask in our community on my.codemode.us. Please take time to solve the quiz associated with this concept. It will not only make you practice, but also test your knowledge and understanding. I always emphasize on practice. I will see you all in the next class. Keep learning.